This week, we move back into the Beast, get a carrier for the motorcycle, and make our way to Flagstaff for Overland Expo West. We are down in San Marcos to look at a motorcycle carrier from a company called Joe Holler. Read a lot of things about them, heard good stuff, so we're going to go check out the company.
Gotta have a way to carry the DRZ.
Yes, we do. Dr. Zed. So Joe from Joe Holler is going to be providing us with one of his deluxe units. We're just going over the specs for it and should have absolutely no problem carrying the DRZ. And I'm very excited because we'll be able to take the bike with us places.
I'm really excited about that machine behind you.
Yes, this is his sidecar rally dirt bike. This thing is a beast. That's a workout. Good Lord.
It's the most unambidextrous type of torture a man can put his body through.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah, it's solid. All right, well, we're all packed up, ready to head to Overland Expo. Let's do this.
How does the Beast drive with the motorcycle on the back?
Pretty well. I definitely notice it bouncing a little bit more, but it's really not affecting the way this is driving, so I don't mind having it back there.
Plus we got an oil change.
I did some engine work, so no more check engine light, and that's about it. You didn't know I was handy, did you?
I did.
Tight quarters.
But we fit, even with the motorcycle.
There you go.
Hey, you want to hand me stuff?
Sure.
Okay. Anything else?
No, I think that's it. We're in Flagstaff, and it is a few days before Overland Expo, so we are going to be doing some dispersed camping out in the forest with friends of ours. They're already up here and invited us to their spot. So we're going to go kind of boondock with them, hang out in the Beast, see what it's like in northern Arizona.
And maybe find a dirt trail for you to take the motorcycle on.
Maybe. I am going to take one of the classes at Overland Expo and see if I can pick up some new skills.
Feels great to be back in one of my favorite cities in the U.S.
That it does. It is absolutely gorgeous up here. It's a lot colder up here than it was in Phoenix.
It is. I'm gonna need to grab my jacket.
I'm gonna need to put my pants on. All right, well, bike made it, no problems. No rocking, it was solid the whole way.
You gonna take her down and go for a ride?
I don't know, we spent a long day on the road. But, you know, best way to unwind is a little throttle therapy.
Do you need my help?
I'm gonna try to do it on my own, I have a plan.
You didn't even take the ramp off.
You mean put the ramp on?
That too.
You really need to.
All right, first order of business, motorcycle. motorcycle ride.
Yes. So tell everyone how you did last night.
Well, it was cold. My toes were frozen, so I'm going to dig my socks out tonight and put socks on before I go to bed.
Yeah, see, I was nice and toasty.
But I slept really well, really quiet. I missed being in Flagstaff. It's one of my favorite cities, and I love just camping out in the forest. I'm really glad we got to hang out with our friends for a bit. It was nice to boondock with them. But now we are going to pack up, head into town and get some work done, and then head to the Cool Ride Festival that's happening this evening.
They're doing a contest for people from Overland Expo, so we'll get to go check those out, and I think they're going to tell us who wins.
But I'm going to drive the beast. Joe is going to ride the motorcycle, and we will meet somewhere in town.
So this is the start of all the cool rigs. Figured we'd head over to the motorcycles first.
Is this the one you voted for?
This is the one I voted for.
Me too.
I feel like the rigs just keep getting bigger and bigger.
You excited?
I'm very excited.
We've planned to come to this event, I think, for the past 4 years,
Yeah.
and we finally made it.
It's a little chilly this morning, and it's only supposed to get colder.
I almost feel like you don't even need to attend the event to check out all the rigs.
No, just walk around town the night before, the day before.
Everybody's camping out there.
You know, one benefit of the Beast being so low to the ground, I just roll this thing right on and right off.
You don't have to put the ramp on.
Nope.
You like your spot?
Love it.
It's getting windy.
Yes. Someone came by and said, looks like you got the corner office.
We did. And a really cool old Blazer.
Yep.
We've got some really cool neighbors.
That we do.
Guess it's my turn to dump for year 3. I think I like walking through a campsite with your cassette toilet.
So you might be wondering how we're keeping all of our food fresh while we're here at Overland Expo. Well, we've got the Dometic CFX 75. This is a dual zone refrigerator, and we've got both sides set up for the fridge, but if you wanted to, you get to make one a freezer, one a fridge, both a freezer, whatever you like. Powering it all is the PLB 40. This is Dometic's little lithium ion battery pack, and it's charging all of our devices and keeping everything fresh and cool in the refrigerator. All the earth roamers just rolled in, made myself a cup of coffee, and I'm just gonna sit here, relax, and enjoy the outdoors. Cheers! Next time, we see what Overland Expo has to offer and continue the search for our next camper. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to see more cool content, head on over to our website at we'retherussos.com. We'll see you next time. Bye.